Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from 5th chapter Quadratic Equations exercise 5.2 8th problem. So see here what he has given. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards west and the second train towards north. The first train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 km apart, find the average speed of each train. So this is very important. He asked so many times for 4 marks. Just you have to understand very clearly. So see here. Two trains, these are the directions. You must have clear idea about the directions. This is east west, north south. So this is the railway station. So from here first train is traveling towards the west direction and the second train is traveling towards the north direction. They are starting at the same time. So here he has given, he is comparing the speeds. The speed of the first train is 5 km per hour faster than the second train. So if the speed of the first train, if the speed of the second train is 10 kmph, then the first becomes 15. If the speed of the second becomes 20, then the first becomes 25. So it is 5 km faster. So see here, let the speed of the second train be x kmph. Kmph stands for kilometer per hour. So here then the speed of the first train equal to x plus 5 kmph. Why? It is 5 km faster than the second one. So the speed of the first one becomes x plus 5. So see here what it means actually. If the speed of a train is 50 kmph, what it means? In 1 hour it travels 50 kilometers. Okay, in 1 hour the train travels a distance of 50 kilometers. If the speed is 20 kmph, what it means? In 1 hour a train travels 20 kilometers distance. So in the same way, see here, distance traveled by the first train in 2 hours. So how can we get 2 into speed? So see here, here the speed of the first train equal to x plus 5 kmph. That is in 1 hour it travels x plus 5 kilometers. In 2 hours how much distance it travels? 2 into x plus 5, that is multiply by 2, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 5 is 10. So 2x plus 10 kilometers. So in 2 hours the distance covered or the distance travelled by the first train is 2 into x plus 5 kilometers. In the same way, and the distance travelled by the second train equal to the speed of the second train is x kmph. Then the distance travelled by it in 2 hours is equal to 2 into x, that is 2x kilometers. So this is the distance travelled by the second train in 2 hours is 2x kilometers. So here the given situation forms a right triangle as shown in the above figure. Yes, it is forming a right angled triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know a square and the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So that is, we can get 2x whole square plus 2x plus 10 whole square equal to 50 square. So see here how can we write. So according to Pythagoras theorem, so base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here base is 2 into x plus 5, that is 2x plus 10, height is 2x, hypotenuse is 50. So we can get base square, that is 2x plus 10 whole square, 2x plus 10 whole square plus height square is 2x whole square is equal to hypotenuse whole square, that is 50 whole square. So now we have to simplify. So it is in the form a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square is 2x whole square, 2x whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2x into 10 plus b square. B square is 10 whole square plus here 2x whole square is 4x square. So in the same way 50 whole square is 50 into 50, we can get 2500. So just we have to simplify again further. So here 2x whole square is 4x square. So here 2 into 2x is 4x, 4x into 10 is 40x. So plus 40x. So here plus 10 square is 100. So write plus 4x square. So now take this 2500 to the left side, it becomes minus 2500 is equal to 0. So now we have to add the like terms, 4x square plus 4x square. So it becomes 8x square. So I am writing here 8x square. So plus 40x, what is there here? Plus 40x. So here plus 100 minus 2500, it becomes minus 2400. Minus 2400 is equal to 0. So here we can take 8 common. So I am taking 8 as common. So x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. So I have taken 8 as common. So here we can get x square, here 5x, here 300. Again if you multiply by 8, you can get 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into 5x, 40x, 8 into minus 300 minus 2400. So take 8 to the right side, here it is multiplying, it divides 0 by 8, again we get 0 only. So finally we get x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. So now the given situation, from the given situation we have formed a quadratic equation in variable x. So x square plus 5x minus 300 equal to 0. So now how to solve this quadratic equation? By factorization method. So we get x value. So if we get x value, we can get the speed of the trains. So see here how can we solve it. So we have x square plus 5x minus 300 equal to 0. So here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is 5. Constant is minus 300. So multiply the coefficient of x square with constant, that is 1 into minus 300, we get 1 into minus 300 is equal to minus 300. So now we have to select two factors for minus 300. So here the condition is their product should be minus 300 and sum should be plus 5. Sum should be plus 5. So here it is very easy. So 20 into minus 15 is equal to minus 300. So 15 twos are 30. So here 20 is there, 300. So 20 minus 15 is equal to plus 5. So plus 20 minus 15 are the factors. So here write the x square as usual. And this plus 5x can be written as plus 20x minus 15x. And write minus 300 as usual is equal to 0. So here in these two x is common. So see here if you take x as common, so here x is there. So here plus 20 will be. So in these two minus 15 is common. So if you take minus 15 as common, here we get x plus 20 again is equal to 0. So totally x plus 20 is common here. So x plus 20 into, so here we get x, here we get minus 15 is equal to 0. So here x plus 20 is equal to 0, x plus 20 is equal to 0, or x minus 15 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to, take plus 20 to the right side becomes minus 20, or here take minus 15 to the right side, it becomes plus 15. So now we have two values for x, x equal to minus 20 and x equal to 15. So what is x here? Speed of the train. So speed of the train, since x is the speed of the train, it must be positive always. Therefore x equal to 15. Since x is the speed of the train, it must be positive always. Therefore x is equal to 15. So if x is equal to 15, x plus 5 is equal to how much? So if x is equal to 15, then x plus 5 is equal to 15 plus 5 is 20. Therefore speeds of the train are 15 kmph and 20 kmph. Therefore the speeds of the trains are 15 kmph and 20 kmph. So this is the 8th problem. So very important. Just you have to practice 2-3 times. You can get perfect. So next we have to solve a 9th problem. This is the 9th problem in exercise 5.2. See here what he is asking to find us. In a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls, and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was rupees 1600, how many boys were there in the class? So here there are 60 students in a class. Total students, boys plus girls, total students in the class equal to 60. So here he is saying that number of boys we don't know and the number of girls we don't know. So he is saying that each boy contributed equal to the number of girls. So suppose if there are among 60, if there are 50 girls in the class, then each boy contributed 50 rupees. Suppose if there are 10 girls in the class, each boy contributed rupees 10. So in the same way, each girl contributed the money equal to the number of boys. Suppose if there are 30 boys in the class, each girl contributed rupees 30. So like this, the total money was collected rupees 1600, he is saying. So here 1600 is equal to, how can we find? So contribution of total boys and the contribution of total girls. So sum of the contributions of total boys and total girls is equal to 1600. So see here, let the number of boys in the class be x. So we don't know. See here, a total number of students in the class equal to 60. Let the number of boys be x. Let the number of boys be x. So then the number of girls equal to how much? 60 minus x. Since if there are the total students in the class equal to 60, if the boys are x, then girls equal to 60 minus x, then the number of girls equal to 60 minus x. So therefore contribution of each boy is equal to rupees 60 minus x. Why? He is saying that each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls. So here the number of girls equal to 60 minus x. Therefore the contribution of each boy becomes rupees 60 minus x. If each boy contributes rupees 60 minus x, and that of all boys, contribution of all boys equal to x into 60 minus x. So total boys are x, contribution of each boys is 60 minus x. To get the total contribution of boys, we have to multiply these two. So rupees x into 60 minus x. So in the same way, contribution of each girl equal to rupees x. Why? The total number of boys be x. Each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. So here number of boys equal to x. Therefore the contribution of each girl equal to rupees x. And that of all girls, contribution of all girls equal to, so each girl contributed rupees x, number of girls equal to how much? 60 minus x. Therefore rupees 60 minus x into x. So here total amount collected from class equal to rupees 1600. It is nothing but total amount collected from boys plus total amount collected from girls. So this is the total amount collected from boys, x into 60 minus x. This is the total amount collected from girls, 60 minus x into x. So the sum of these two equal to 1600. So that is x into 60 minus x plus 60 minus x into x is equal to 1600. So just we have to simplify here. What we get, see here, we have to multiply x into 60, 60x, x into minus x square, here also 60 into x plus 60x, so x into minus x square, so take plus 6 is equal to how much here, 1600. So now just we have to simplify. So plus 60x plus 60x, it is 120x minus x square, it becomes minus 2x square. 60 plus 60, 120x. So here minus x square, it becomes minus 2x square is equal to 1600. So now take 2 common here, we get, if you take 2 common here, it is 60x, here minus x square is equal to 1600. So here we can cancel finally 2 ones and 2 800s. So we have 60x minus x square is equal to 800. So now take these two terms to the right side. Finally we get here already 800 is there. So minus x square becomes plus x square, plus 60x becomes minus 60x is equal to 0. So now it is not in its standard form, just we have to write x square minus 60x, then after constant term. So see here how can we write x square minus 60x plus 800 is equal to 0. So now we have the quadratic equation. We have formed a quadratic equation from the given situation. So here the coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is minus 60, constant is 800. So multiply the coefficient of x square with constant. So coefficient of x square is 1 into constant is 800. 1 into 800 equal to 800. So now we have to select 2 factors for 800. Here the condition is if we multiply those two, we have to, if the condition is their product should be plus 800 and their sum should be minus 60. Suppose if I select minus 20 into minus 40, so minus 20 into minus 40 is plus 800 and minus 20 minus 40 is equal to minus 60. So these two are the required factors. So write x square as usual, but this minus 60x can be written as minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 is equal to 0. So just I have splitted this minus 60x as minus 40x minus 20x. So write x square as usual and 800 as usual. So in the first two terms x is common. So if we take x as common, here x, here minus 40 is there. So in the last two terms minus 20 is common. So here x will be, again here minus 40 will be, is equal to 0. Again if you multiply you can get the above step, x into x, x square, x into minus 40, minus 40x. So next minus 20 into x, minus 20x, minus 20 into minus 40 plus 800. So again x minus 40 is common. X minus 40 is common. So x minus 40 is common. So here x is there, here minus 20 is there, is equal to 0. So totally x minus 40 is common. Here x, here minus 20. So x minus 40 is equal to 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0. So finally we get x is equal to 40 or x is equal to 20. So here take minus 40 to the right side, it becomes plus 40. Take minus 20 to the right side, it becomes plus 20. So what is x? X is equal to number of boys in the class. Therefore the number of boys in the class equal to 20 or 40. Both are correct. If the boys are 20, then girls becomes 40. If the boys are 40, then girls becomes 20. So therefore he is asking only number of boys. Therefore the number of boys is equal to 20 or 40. So this is the 9th problem in exercise 5.2. Next we have to solve 10th problem. This is the 10th problem in exercise 5.2. See here what he has given. A motor boat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers in a river whose current is running at 3 kilometers per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motor boat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed in still water? So see here what he has given. So there is a motor boat, it is traveling in the water, so but the water is flowing. So here the speed of the stream is 3 kmph. He is asking to find us the speed of the boat in still water, but here the water is flowing. So the total distance is 24 kilometers. The boat takes up and down 6 hours time. It takes 6 hours time to travel up and down. So see here, let the speed of the motor boat in still water be x kmph. So speed of the stream equal to 3 kmph he has given. So here speed of the motor boat in stream in flow direction, so is equal to x plus 3 kmph. So the speed of the stream will added to the speed of the boat. So and the speed of the motor boat in stream in opposite direction of flow. Suppose flow is coming in the opposite direction and both are coming in opposite direction. So one boat is moving to the forward and the flow is coming to the backward. So then speed of the boat reduces by the speed of the stream. Then here speed of the motor boat in stream in opposite direction in flow is equal to x minus 3 kmph. Speed of the motor boat in stream in opposite direction of flow is equal to x minus 3 kmph. That you have to understand. So while flowing in the flow direction, speed of the boat increases. While flowing opposite direction of stream, speed of the boat decreases. So that you have to remember. So in the flow direction, speed of the boat equal to x plus 3, where here 3 is the speed of the stream. So while flowing in the opposite direction of flow, speed of the stream is x minus 3 kmph. That you have to remember. And the time, see here, time taken to travel upwards is equal to distance by speed. Generally we have time is equal to distance by speed. Here distance is equal to 24, speed is equal to x plus 3. So boat is moving in the flow direction, then the speed is x plus 3. So time, it is in hours. And the time taken by the boat in down. So here we have to write time. And time taken by the boat in down, so let it is t2. Again it is distance by speed. Distance is same 24 kilometers, but the speed is x minus 3 kmph. So here time in hours. So the total time, but the total time taken is equal to 6 hours. To travel up and down, the total time is 6 hours he has given. That is t1 plus t2 equal to 6 hours. But we have t1 is equal to 24 by x plus 3. Plus t2 is equal to 24 by x minus 3. 24 by x minus 3 is equal to 6, is equal to 6. So just we have to simplify this to get a quadratic equation. So see here what we get. So now we have to simplify it. 24 by x plus 3 plus 24 by x minus 3 equal to 6. So we have to find LCM. So x plus 3 into x minus 3 is the LCM. We get 24 into x minus 3 plus 24 into x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 3. X plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 6. So see here. So x plus 3 into x minus 3 is the LCM here. So here 24 into x plus 3 plus 24 into 24 into x minus 3 plus 24 into x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 6. So now just you have to simplify further. So multiply by 24, 24 into x, 24x, 24 into minus 3, minus 72, plus here also 24 into x, 24x, 24 into plus 3, plus 72. So here divided by x plus 3 into x minus 3, it is in the form a square minus b square. A square is x square minus b square is 3 square. So 3 square I am writing directly 9 is equal to 6. So here minus 72 plus 72 gets cancelled. So here 24x plus 24x we have 48x. 48x is equal to take x square minus 9 to the right side, we get 6 into x square minus 9. So here x square minus 9 is dividing. If you take to the right side, it multiplies. So here we can cancel 6 ones and 6 8s are 48. So we have 8x is equal to x square minus 9. So now take 8x to the right side, we get x square minus 9 minus 8x is equal to 0. So just we have to write in standard form. We get x square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. So now this is the quadratic equation in variable x. So now we have to solve to get the value of x. X is nothing but speed of the motor boat in still water. So here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is minus 8, constant is minus 9. So multiply the coefficient of x square with constant, that we get 1 into minus 9 equal to minus 9. So we have to select two factors to minus 9. So here these two are the factors only, 1 minus 9, 1 and minus 9. So see here 1 into minus 9 is minus 9, 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Here 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. So how can we write? Write x square as usual, but this minus 8x write as plus x minus 9x. So write plus x minus 9x minus 9 is equal to 0. So just write x square as usual, but this minus 8x I have written as plus x minus 9x. So minus 9 is equal to 0. So in these two x is common. So if you take x as common, so here x, here plus 1 will be. So in these two minus 9 is common. So if we take minus 9 as common, here we get x, here plus 1 is equal to 0. So totally we get x plus 1 is common. So we have x plus 1 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So either x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 1. Take plus 1 to the right side, it will becomes minus 1, or here take minus 9 to the right side, it becomes plus 9, x is equal to 9. So now we have two values for x, one is minus 1 and the other is 9. So actually what is x? X is speed of the boat in still water. So speed must be in positive only. So we have to take only positive value. Since x is the speed of the boat, it must be positive. Therefore, x is equal to 9. So here x is nothing but speed of the boat in still water. Therefore, the speed of the boat in still water is equal to 9 kmph. So he is asking to find the speed of the boat in still water. So this is the 10th problem in exercise 5.2. Totally there are 10 problems. We have completed all the 10 problems. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thanks for watching.